Wait, what's the Nyika?
About Zambia. I am not bored about the ongoing that is taking place. But what I have to further emphasize is we have got wrong people like Changre. Wants to change the regime of this country. And we are very bored about that. Because Changre have never released even $1,000 to give anybody here in this country. So why can we say Changre is correct?
Saka, is it a true and this is Changira from opposition party and yes, it's okay. But I can't be Chico and I know Rufama and just Naga Changira Tonga. From it go with Ajita. What Jangra is a woman and a Mare super here to me. Super $1, I can't send everything. It was no like that. Here I pinned up at Chigaro. And that Tanga Gutis as a good Gutis as a good Tashuki. The Tanga broke away. About 30 tani and you are already Japan. What you are over and some Bago, Motogabiga Saz. No dark Gutos, Saga. What we want to emphasize, don't be fooled by these batty people. Why is that? Is a Batman because this, I think they are batty. These people are batty. Why is that? Some batty. I have Jews and a Maston no pair my batty. Why is that?
All right.
Can all appear my party no no chagam no kusira na mata and no matter mugita simbe. But I want you chaga magaya.
Magaya upinda papi.
You won't do it. Njana changi, you won't changi.
All right.
Ngacha ke magaya.
Bangwanga ba chongo not billionaires club yacho no kwanza utsinga prestige.
Ata chokwadi.
Because zvinhu zvavo zvese hazvikushanda wese. Shiri dzenyika ndo dziri kucontrolwa naMaston and I am in control of that.
All right.
Changire can never rule this country.
Monster.
It was taken through out of the barrel of a gun, but you don't know how it is smoked. Where is it?
Yeah.
Tambotoro. I'm not happy. Minister of Defense in this country. Was they live Morgan Changrai flourishingly in his house there in Islands? Why don't they just simply arrest somebody who wants to change this regime of this country? That is toppling ZANU-PF from power and putting MDC. For what? MDC has not given even $1 to buy drink, even anything. So why do you say Changrai is correct? We have to be clearly out. Changrai is a dictator. He spent 2 terms in power. Nearly 3, and he wants to get back to power. So we better believe it, and it is better, or even just
he was given an opportunity as the Prime Minister to do something about it, but they did nothing. What they did, they just spent the money. Why is that? For nothing. Enjoying playing golf
in the European Union.
So what I want to emphasize to all Zimbabweans, all patrons of the country, these people are phony. Why is it? It's old English. Go read the dictionary, Trangirai. It's a phony. Why is it?
So he's a fake. He's a fake.
He's a lie.
He's a fake, yeah.
Oh.
He's a fake. Can never rule this country because of his imperial strategies or puppet sharehold in this country. That's why I have reiterated that. Citizen Secretary must make Changrai go to London. That's where he can tell the people of abroad how MDC is powerful here in Zimbabwe.
But Urgona German, Tagama Anostanga usupiwa kama saka tungomsiya.
No, we don't care about his superiority by virtue of being given allowance.
Schism.
We don't care about that.
It is
what
a
we care about that he must get back.
Wait. Schism. Schism
have a birth certificate of British and have an ID of British and never come here to England. The same thing that took place to Tony Blair. We told him that we keep our Zimbabwe and he must keep his Britain, and nobody will go to another countries. That is in terms of brackets with Mavakwenyu.
Yeah.
Tony Blair and Changre must not come here.
Don't
Allow them here because their brain are of a white supremacy. So one day Changre will wake up giant. They must not ask somebody because Changre is set out in also a British puppet.
Schism is a case whereby someone is being cursed by his country.
Yeah.
Because he wants to curse it. That is problem.
But apari kutaura kuti hanziningi
newspaper because I want to see this video.
No. Just
He's got plenty of faces. But if you edit this video,
I edit we.
Okay, edit a video, I'll take you down.
Don't take me down.
I'm telling you.
Minox grew up here in Mbare. And don't know everything of Harare.
Don't you act like Juba or is it?
No.
Don't you come to me like an envoy because the legend will never die.
That is
Are you coming to me as a booby trap, Mino?
Just having
I'm not a booby
of
trap.
people who stay here in Harare. In Mbare to tell them the truth is that Changirai.
Don't be a booby trap on top of another. Because you're going to enjoy the fruit of your joy eating that money of that dirty video, you see.
Our ancestral endeavors.
You are going to benefit more from that video. Yes.
What am I going to
benefit? Views. I know these things.
I don't need views.
This is a solidarity message to Minox. Even if you must know that Changira and Ditimas Mutasa, they are not going to run this country just because we are Zimbabweans. We look with a view mirror behind our driving skills. We don't look at Changira as S. Or don't look at his because they are poor, they don't have money, they don't advocate anybody, any duty.
I wouldn't say anything about anything. All I want the ruler of the what can I say? MDC. Is this movie death case or it's a case whereby we want to be attacked by someone's spirit. Because they are using black magic on the president and it doesn't work because Maston is here. That is that.
That is that.
Yeah, I'm not a party. I don't run out of batteries.
Yes.
I drink more and smoke more.
Shanghai and Rebel, they are party people.
Party people, you see, guns are papa split it like pumpkin, just
Shanghai have never been a policeman. Shanghai have never been a soldier. Shanghai have never been a member of the Central Intelligence Organization. So he cannot tell people of Zimbabwe that he is going to rule this country. But we are afraid of sitting Sakarama because he can lose his job before he removes.
So Changira is going to be hit by
even the Americans.
I don't know how he's going to.
Or the G8,
I don't know how he's going to. I don't know how he's going to run it.
I don't know why.
Because it can't be run. No one can run it. The president can run it. Is genius. No matter how hard he can try, Zimbabwe will never be a colony.
Sure.
Zimbabwe will never be a colony.
Yeah. You think this is a check for MDC?
20 million here in Zimbabwe.
ndotokukesa nako zvotinogona kutokukesa ipapapa wakatilezo tinotadza kushanda izvi ndezvemapipi nditonokoda kutongoti chibude tatonyatsomutuka Changira waizi because iye akaudzwa profesi iyoyo kudhara waizi dzoti ndozvakumupengesa waizi ndikutokudza he knows the prophecy. Saka if he doesn't know the prophecy in this country and he tries to rule by force, I don't know how he's going to force it.
Because kana election yakusvika anotaura kuti chi
Apana, I don't care about any. There is not going to be any election because he anoramba.
He's a British puppet, my friend.
Anoramba.
Constitution of Zimbabwe.
Election yakuitwa next week. And now because after 2 weeks, antanga kuzvabirirwa njada.
Get me
kusangana court.
You come from
Kuzanoita. Tusangana court obva yedza kakaningira dikoko. Dikoko ndiye anotanga kushedzwa. Dikoko. Chiloya cha Bennett cheche Zvezvo zvokuti anoshandisa mari yakawandisa kumutora nejetu. Hazvina kana basa mari mapepa kunoko yakawandisa shamwari.
Handiti? Saka inda achiramba
kuti. Nezvinoti iri kunaka kupfuura zvauri kuiona. Because takagadzira main road kudhara. Takagadzira main road kudhara.
There is brigadier Nyika yaramba where Dikoko has his farm there in Maston and in Mangurenje. You have to bear in mind, wherever you are, maybe you are in Kruger Park or maybe you are in Wange National Park. Yeah. You have to know that Dikoko will never run this country because he has got no weapon of mass destruction here in Zimbabwe. And Zimbabwe is a member of the G7 country. They've got weapons of mass destruction. Even Morgan Tsvangirai and his British allies with the UK Navy at Botswana border post, they think that they are going to fight this country. That will be a joke because we have got the bases of China and North Korea, South Korea, Israel, and even weapons beyond control from South Korea, maybe in North Korea. So Dikoko and Red Bennett, they are stupid here in country. They don't come here in Zimbabwe. They don't even have this money that we have in Zimbabwe. They are buying beer. They are stupid.
It's a lot of money. This money works. It works. It's money. What is money? What is money, if I may ask you?
Money is paper sometimes, in coins.
Money is a form of legal tender. It's written. So you should bear in mind, money talks, you see. But if you have money...